All right, so for this video, where are we? All right, we are gonna focus a little bit on symmetry. Let's put this together. New, yes. Make sure you got your multi-resolution down so that it's easy to see. Matcap's good. All right, there we are. Front. All right, so first things first, let's show our line of symmetry. So that is their line of symmetry. Whatever you do to one side happens to the other. And this is on a local object scale. Let's see. We can also show the plane of symmetry. And we're not just limited to like the X-plane. We can also do, right now the local and the world plane are the same. That's where the objects start out, so don't worry too much about that. So let's see. Cancel Y and C. So if we do to this, happens to that. One really cool thing about Nomad Sculpt is it has the ability to do Gizmo edit for the plane. So we can move the plane a little bit like this, or like that, or like this. So then we can make some more creative symmetrical changes here. Remember, symmetry has to be on to be working. Otherwise, whatever you do to one side won't happen to the other. All right. So one thing I'm going to show you is front. All right. Let's get rid of the plane. Reset everything. Just C. So take that. All right. So let's put the world and let's change the object. So its plane of reference is still world plane. One cool thing you can do later on when you want symmetrical things, but let's say this is not in the local plane as the same as the world plane, you can insert, clone, make sure it's symmetry right there. See cone. So then you can add primitives like this. Referencing the global plane. So new, right? So again, this time we're just going on the local, on the object itself. If we try to add another object, sphere, make sure there's symmetry. Otherwise this won't happen. We do something like that. And we can add multiple objects or objects symmetrically like this. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's a little bit about symmetry and how you can use it with your objects, either in a local or global plane kind of way. Just experiment and you'll eventually have some really weird models. All right, until next time, if you have any questions, just